Hi everyone, this is Marty Carter. I'm with SumnerOne Services. Today we're going to show you how to change toner on the Kyocera TASKalfa series. This one you're going to first receive a toner message. It'll tell you to please replace the toner message soon. At that point you just make sure that you do have toner on hand to replace it with. And the good news is we have a toner fulfillment service. So our company will monitor your machine and will send out that toner before you even know it's low. Shortly after, you'll receive a message that says that the toner needs to be replaced now. So on this model, when you receive that message, this door opens and the toner that needs to be replaced, the door will open automatically. In this case, it's the cyan toner that we need to change. This cartridge pulls right out. This, you'll dispose of this. It'll come with a plastic bag in the box that it originally shipped with, and you can put in that plastic bag. That's just to prevent waste. The new cartridge will look very much the same. You'll get this out of the box and typically give it a good shake before you put it in. This one has been opened. I'm not going to shake it now, but you're going to shake it and then slide it straight into the machine. You'll close the door, close this, and that's changing toner on the Kyocera TASKalfa series. Thank you.